వర్షాలు పడుతున్నాయి. అసలు హైదరాబాద్‌కి ఎప్పుడు తమన్నా వస్తే గ్లామర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో, తమన్నా మనతో ఉంది. సో, లెట్స్ వెల్కమ్ హర్. హాయ్ తమన్నా. వెరీ నైస్ సీయింగ్ యూ వన్స్ అగైన్.
ప్లెజర్ సీయింగ్ యూ. చాలా ఎక్సైటెడ్గా ఉన్నాను. మామూలుగా సినిమా విషయాలకి హైదరాబాద్కి వస్తాను. అండ్ హైదరాబాద్ మీకు తెలుసు నాకు సెకండ్ ఇంటి లాగా. సో బట్ ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు రాహుల్ మిశ్రా గారు ఆయన కొత్త స్టోర్ లాంచ్ చేశారు ఇవాళ. ఆయన నాకు ఒక చాలా ఇష్టమైన డిజైనర్. నిజంగా ఇండియాని ఒక గ్లోబల్ మ్యాప్లో పెట్టడానికి ఆయన చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ పర్సన్ ఇన్ ద సెన్స్ దట్ ఇప్పుడు ఆయన చేసిన వర్క్ అంతా బయట అందరూ చాలా చాలా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తున్నారు. అండ్ మా 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 స్టైలింగ్ని మా యూనో కాన్సెప్ట్స్ని తీసుకుని అక్కడ చూపించి చాలా గొప్ప పేరు తెచ్చుకుంటున్నారు ఆయన. సో ఇట్స్ సో నైస్ టు ఆల్వేస్ వర్క్ విత్ దీస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ క్రియేటివ్ పీపుల్ బికాస్ దే ప్రాసెస్ టు come to their collections is so beautiful and so well thought out of that as an artist I really enjoy wearing his clothes. And you know, to look glamorous and comfortable at the same time, he makes it happen super easily. So that is Rahul Mishra garu. How are you feeling? You're in Hyderabad. You're the coolest city.
I feel like home, and that's how like we have made our coolest store here.
ఓకే. సో, రాహుల్ గారు ఈ డ్రెస్ హ్యాండ్మేడ్ డ్రెస్సా పూర్తిగా?
100% handmade.
ఓకే. సో, తమన్నా వెన్ యూ సీ ద క్రాఫ్ట్స్ అండ్ ఆర్టిసన్స్ హు ఆర్ డూయింగ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ హ్యాండ్మేడ్, నాకు తెలిసి ఈ డ్రెస్ చేయడానికి చాలా మంత్స్ పడి ఉంటుంది. ఏమంటారు మీరు అలాంటి ఆర్టిస్ట్ని?
I definitely think that Rahul is someone who's always promoted Indian craftsmanship. And I remember one of your collections previously, he actually had artisans in his sari. So the sari I was talking about, it's one of my favorite pieces that you have. It's a golden sari which has an artisan at the pallu.
Yeah.
And I feel like it's just how beautifully he incorporates that into his designs and the storytelling that he does through his art. So I love how he's always promoted Indian craftsmanship.
తమన్నా లవ్ ఫర్ సారీస్, నాకు తెలుసు మీకు సారీస్ అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం. దాని గురించి చెప్పండి.
డెఫినెట్లీ చీర అంటే ప్రతి ఇండియన్ అమ్మాయికి కాదు, ఇప్పుడు ప్రపంచం అంతా చీరని రకరకాలుగా చూస్తుంది, రకరకాల ఫ్యాషన్స్లో వేసుకుంటుంది. సో చాలా ప్రౌడ్గా ఉన్నాము దట్ చీర మాది.
మీరు గతంలో ఒక ఇంటర్వ్యూలో చెప్పారు దట్ శ్రీదేవి గారు చీర కడితే నాకు బాగుంటుంది, నేను కూడా శ్రీదేవి గారి లాగా కనిపించాలి, ఆ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్తోనే మీరు ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీకి వచ్చారు. దాని గురించి ఏమంటారు?
No, definitely. I think someone who made sarees really iconic was her. So not just me, I think an entire generation of actresses are inspired by her.
ఒక పర్సనల్ క్వశ్చన్, అసలు తమన్నా వెడ్డింగ్ కలెక్షన్ మొత్తం రాహుల్ మిశ్రా చేస్తాడా?
వెడ్డింగ్ నేను ప్రతిరోజు నా వెడ్డింగ్ ఎలా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాను బికాస్ ప్రతిరోజు ఇలాగే రెడీ అయిపోయి బయటకు వెళ్తున్నాను. నాకు వెడ్డింగ్ అనేది అవసరం, రెడీ అవ్వడానికి వెడ్డింగ్కి కనెక్షనే లేదు, నాకు ప్రతిరోజు అలాగే.
ఓకే. సో ఫైనలీ ఒకటి అంటే తమన్నా ఎప్పుడైనా మీరు సోషల్ మీడియాలో కానీ మీడియాలో మీ వెడ్డింగ్ గురించి ఎక్కువ డిస్కషన్స్ జరుగుతున్నాయి. సో దానికి మీరు క్లియర్గా ఏం చెప్తారు మీ ఫ్యాన్స్కి?
ఐఎమ్ నాట్ గెటింగ్ మ్యారీడ్ ఎన్ టైమ్ సూన్, సో డోంట్ వరీ.
సుధా గారు చెప్పండి, అసలు ఫ్యాషన్ అనేది మీ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ చూస్తే ద మోస్ట్ ఫ్యాషనబుల్ ఉమెన్. సో చెప్పండి, ఫ్యాషన్ అంటే వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ యూ గివ్ ఆన్ ఫ్యాషన్?
Very good evening, and I'm so happy that Hyderabad is so happening with fashion trends and everything. I'm so happy for that. And recently, I'm happy that Hyderabad is in third place with the rich after Delhi and Mumbai. And I think it will come to the first place very soon, and it will be at the fashion hub very soon. According to me, fashion is all about carrying yourself confidently, whatever you might be, whatever the occasion, carrying yourself with that utmost confidence when you're walking in the crowd.
ఇప్పుడు చూస్తే సో ద మోస్ట్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ బ్యాగ్ వీఆర్ సీయింగ్, టెల్ us, ఇట్స్ లైక్ అ హ్యూమన్ ఫేస్.
Yeah, it's very exclusive. This designer is from Paris, I believe, and he's a very upcoming and actually very high end designer. Skype really. He makes jewelry, I make clothes, accessories, everything. Now he's one of the hottest designer in the world.
Apart from fashion, we have also seen many things that you do. You're more into philanthropy. You're more into women empowerment. So, which is the latest women-related project that you're doing for women empowerment?
Women empowerment, not exactly women empowerment. Very soon we are coming up with a marathon. This is health awareness, to bring the health awareness for women. How important women's health is for a family. So we're doing a marathon, and also we are planning to attempt a Guinness Book of World Record. Very soon we'll do a press release on that.
So how many kilometers of marathon are you planning?
It's 10, 5, 3, and you are all welcome.
Talking about the fitness, so my fitness regime ఏంటి పొద్దున్న లేచిన తర్వాత ఎందుకంటే there a lot of people are talking about physical fitness and mental fitness both. How do you manage that?
Exactly. Both physical and mental fitness is very important. It's not just about spending 3-4 hours in the gym or somewhere. It's about spending with your mind. You have to spend with your mind every day. You have to spend with yourself every day. That also comes under fitness. And you should have an active movement and lifestyle throughout the day and proper relaxing hours and all. That's very simple. Fitness is very simple. It's balance between mind and body basically.
Life. Well, actually, we have opened 3 stores in Delhi in the past year, and one in Bombay, another one in Bombay soon. So I guess, we live in Delhi, and so that's really been taking our time. And we had a store in Bangalore for many years. So Hyderabad just seemed to be the right, whole thing fell into place. This location is fantastic. And, we're waiting for absolutely, you need to be just like, have the right location, the right building. So this just seemed right. So we jumped it.
Collection for all the stores similar
Yeah, of course. We have, we do new collections and new drops every month or so. And the same collections are available everywhere, internationally and in India and online.
So this season, what is the new collection that you're watching?
We have a mix of some of this new pieces in. It's called Parallel Collection, in which it's really a fresh take on classics. So it's a perspective of looking at, we work, as you know, I don't know if you know, but our work tends to we work with a lot of classics. We work with stripes, we work with checks, we work with certain techniques. And this collection, we have just looked at the classic elements, but from a fresh perspective. And that's something that we try to do every season. So, but this season particularly, so that's the reason why that's the name. But then again, having said that, we're also very clear whenever we discuss our collections is that we prefer that they're not very season specific. We like our collections and the designs to be timeless. We think that what you get from Abraham and Taco should be an investment for a long time. We do not believe in throwaway fashion. We don't believe in trends. We don't believe in fast fashion. We work with craftspeople. We work with ikat weavers. We work with Maheshwar weavers. And I think what we make, and we try to make them of the best quality so that they will last. So whatever you find on the rails should be something that you can wear 4 years from now. No? I hope. So that's really, that's the philosophy behind the brand. So, we try not to do too much like this season, next season, new collection, old collection. It's just like we want it to be something that continues. And I think we have a lot of customers who I meet all over Delhi, Bombay, maybe even here, we have a lot of customers from Hyderabad. And they're wearing things which they bought some 10 years ago, some 5 years ago, some last week. And there's a timelessness about the clothes. And I think that's really our response to sustainability and, these issues.
Really timeless, and people that really appreciate what we do, and they keep that with them, which is a reminder of what they've actually bought in the past. And equally because they understand what they're buying. And that's very important, because without that understanding, it's very difficult to get a piece for yourself. So it's the technique, the process, the number of hours taken to produce that piece, all that it makes a story in their own minds to take back home and enjoy the garment.
So what do you want to tell to the viewers who are watching this when they go for shopping? How do they select, and what are the fashion tips you want to give them?
It's difficult to say what kind of fashion tip. I think everyone has an individual style, and it's something that you buy because one is impulsive buy shopper, which is just on the spot, you like this and that, but something that you really appreciate for what it is, and equally that you are sure that this works very well for you and that you could wear it for various. Okay, I talk about the men. I think a men has a very nice offering in terms of shirts, of course, that somebody can just walk in to buy. You can pair it with your jeans or something from your wardrobe. There's certain looks that we've actually created as a complete look where you have a shirt, jacket, and a pair of pants. That could be a complete cord set, which everybody fancies and loves now, and it's also easy. You don't need to think, and it's great because it's also very graphic. For the men, it's very masculine, and here we have a selection of clothing for for women, which has got to do with easy clothes, easy shapes, comfortable fabrics, and that's very important because that's basically what touches your skin and what you're comfortable in.
It's lovely. I know this is Rahul's first store in Hyderabad, and I've seen the entire collection. It's vibrant and it is regal and it is very it's beautiful. I wish him all the very best because I know that Hyderabad is a city which really appreciates fashion and really appreciates the hard work that goes behind fashion, because we ourselves have a lot of artisans that work with their hand for the outfits and all. So Rahul was telling me that they do not use any kind of machine for any outfits. It's all handmade. So yeah, I wish him all the very best. I love the collection. I hope the store gets flooded with like a lot of people and a lot of great sales.
So when you see this kind of craftsmen and handmade things, ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది మీకు?
It's amazing, you know, because just to see that Rahul really put us on the map, Rahul Mishra and the brand, it really put us on the map, not just nationally but globally. He put us on the map, so it makes me very happy and makes me very proud as an Indian that you know he's doing this.
So multiple hats. So tell us how is it after the success of the movie?
Oh, thank you. It's been great. I think you know I was right when I said that Telugu audience really appreciate and encourage good content. I was right, so I'm happy about it.
What next? What's happening?
As of now, we're still listening to scripts. We haven't concretely decided on what's next, but yeah.